So here, the powerful muscles, arms, biceps we can be seen. So genius campus kids, in their knowledge, they will be modern like a gym persons. Yeah, respectable everybody. So here, time clock can be seen. Directions are there. Seasons are there. So, what it is called?
South to east.
States and capitals are also there. Time is there. Roman numbers are there. So in this room, entirely knowledge is filled completely. So many activities are there. These all are special in class motor skills.
You can check how much your weight
So
also.
here weight, from weight we shall be started. So what is a weight? Then from here, these arrow mark something here. Letters are there.
Hindi letters.
Hindi letters are there. Then here we could jump. So after every jump, here questions are there. Father of nation, national bird, national flag. So different questions are there. Here clue. We have prepared clue here. Children they can select the clue and give the answer. Then here Telugu words are there. And living and non-living things comes under science activity. Then here solar system can be seen. Beautiful view. I will show you. Once you will look at the mirror, stars, satellites, I mean celestial bodies, asteroids, I mean rocket also here we have mentioned. So this is our Earth drawn by kids. So this entire mirror wall filled with activity tasks. You would come here. Look at this solar system from sun to different planets. And exactly this is half of the diagram. And you could look into the mirror. This is a half more diagram. So total completely yes. Full diagram can be seen here. Complete diagram, solar system, specially made for kids. Then here, animal paws are there, panja. Then children they will be moving on these letters. Follow the snake and here Hindi letters are there. Then here under the English activity, noun and pronoun types of nouns are there.
Genius.
Yeah.
India.
Come, we shall go to corridor. I will. So here traffic rules are mentioned, where we have to do and what type of things. So numbers are given here. So traffic rules, zebra crossing, crab walk. Do you know what is meant by crab walk? I shall show you like this. Crab walk. Because there is no direction. In many directions crab will be moving. That is known as crab walk. So children they will get balance by doing this activity. So such type of grass motor skills activities have been done in our campus. 3 to 4 days these activities will be going on, not in a single day. So this is a big task for our nation builders, nothing but staff and management. Why? Because children mindset it's not an easy method and task. So we have to inculcate this knowledge in their brain and mind. So thank you everybody. Thank you very much. So this is our genius campus, unique nature. Thank you. Signing.